Hi everyone, this is Jillian from Writer, and I'm here to show you how marketers can use Writer to autonomously generate comprehensive marketing strategies in just a few minutes. There are two ways I'm going to show you how to do this. The first way allows marketers to do this on an ad hoc basis by entering a prompt like this that you see on the screen. The second way allows marketing teams to do this on a repeated basis by setting up what we call Writer playbooks, where no prompt engineering is required. Just a few clicks, drags and drops allows marketing teams to do this again on a more frequent basis. For example, when there might be multiple product launches within a company. So first, showing you how I do this on an ad hoc basis. I log into my Writer account. I'm prompted with this freeform text box. I enter my prompt and I run the agent. So I said, develop a comprehensive 12-month marketing strategy for the Apple iPhone 17e, covering positioning, target audience, channel mix, budget allocation, and key milestones. Use market research and the product brief. You'll see that I attached the product brief from my computer, and I have the ability to call different data sources and information from Writer's various connectors. So there are dozens of connectors tied into systems like Slack, Google, OneDrive, Atlassian, Snowflake, Salesforce, and more. When I hit send, the agent starts to process the request. It starts to look at the document, do research on the web. So you'll see that this is a multi-step process that often takes teams multiple days, weeks, even months to conduct. It's really important that agents are used to automate this process and cut that week, month-long process down to just a couple of minutes. So you'll see I already ran this agent, and you'll see that I have my deliverable ready. So in just a few minutes, this was generated. This is my iPhone 17e comprehensive 12-month marketing strategy, beginning with an executive summary, going into marketing and market analysis and competitive landscape, going into positioning strategy, starting with the core brand positioning, moving into target audience segmentation, and so on. So this is pretty sophisticated and comprehensive when it comes to a marketing strategy. Of course, I can include more details in my prompt should I wish. I can also interact with the AI and tell it, create a presentation for my CMO using the brand style on Apple's site. I already ran this exercise, so you'll see that my deliverable includes this beautifully constructed presentation that articulates that marketing strategy in multiple slides. Again, created just in a matter of a couple of minutes. Now I want to show you how you can set this up so there's no prompting required and teams can use a really, really well thought out, well built out prompt. And teams can use a really well thought out. Now I want to show you how you can set this up for teams to use on a repeated basis. So no prompt engineering is required. All of the detailed requirements that a team might have to use in creating its marketing strategy, including the necessary inputs, all of that is already accounted for in what we set up in a Writer playbook. So the way to set up this playbook is by simply going to Playbooks, selecting New Playbook, and describing what you want to do. So I want to create a playbook to allow marketers to create 12-month marketing strategies based on target demographic information and a product brief. I click transform into a playbook, and this is the outcome. So you'll see this really, really detailed prompt that's created in response to the idea that I entered into that playbook. And I can use this as the basis for the agent that the marketers can use on a repeated basis. As a marketer, I want to show you what I see. So I want to run this in a new session. As a marketer, I'm just seeing the overview, so what it does, the deliverables that you'll get, and the playbook steps. I'm only prompted to enter a product brief in the target audience insights, which I can do here. And then upon running the session, similar to how I ran the ad hoc request, this runs, it creates the deliverables that I expect in just the matter of a couple of minutes. And you'll see the outcome here. Here's the deliverables. Here's my marketing strategy. I can open it. And voila. I hope this is helpful to show you how, again, marketing teams can use Writer to automate the process of creating comprehensive marketing strategies, for example, when new products are launched on a one-off basis as well as a repeated basis across larger teams. Thanks so much.